We are almost done with this project. The last thing we have to do, or what we've done so far, is we've set up our project file, we've created puzzle pieces and colored them, we've assembled it into a cube, we've created drawings and updated the title block. The last thing we need to do is create the assembly presentation video in Inventor. All right, the way we do that, we go to Inventor, we're going to create a presentation. As soon as you create a presentation, it's going to look for us to open the assembly file that we just that we've created. I called mine puzzle cube, and so there's my assembled puzzle cube. And the way this works is what you do is you click on this button here, tweak components. And so the first component piece that I'm going to move is, since I see it the most, I'll move the green piece. And so I'll click on that, and you see an axes, so move is highlighted. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna move this puzzle piece off. I have two options. I can move it up or I can move it out this direction. I do not wanna move it out this direction because if I try to move it this direction, out this way, it would have to pass through the blue and the yellow piece. Actually, I have three options. I can move out this way, up, or out this way. So I'm gonna move it up, and I'm gonna move it up 2 inches. That didn't look far enough. I'll move it up 5 inches. All right, and it's preset at 2.5 seconds. If I wanted to take longer, I can make longer, shorter, I can make shorter. But that looks good to me, so I'll say okay. If I click on the green check mark, I'm also going to want it to do a rotation. So I click on it, tweak components. I'll click on it one more time. Let me restart. So tweak component, click on the piece. I'm going to rotate it. And I can rotate it any way I want. It's not near any other pieces, so I'll rotate it this way, and I'll rotate it 360 degrees, one full rotation. And again, it'll take 2.5 seconds. If I want to take longer or shorter, I'll make that one take only a second, 1 second to do that. Click OK, and then I'll move it one more time. So tweak component, this one, and this time I have any direction I want to. I want to move it backwards, so I'm going to click on this, but I want to move it in a -2. That way it'll go backwards, -3 inches. Say OK. All right, if I want to watch this to see how this works, I'll start. There we go, moves up, moves back. All right, good. And so for all these pieces, I can keep on going as many as I want. Just tweak component, click on the component. All right, I'll show you what I don't want. So I'll tweak component, I'll click on the yellow, and if I click on this arrow, but I type in a negative distance, you see I'd had to pass through these other components. That's not possible. It's not physically possible, so I don't want us to do it. So instead of doing a -5, I should have done a +5, and that way I didn't have to pass through anything. All right, and so once you're done with this, so I'll do that, you'll have a lot more going on, but once you're done with this, you'll be able to, run your whole file. And what you can do is you're then able to download it and put it up on YouTube. So right here, if you do publish video, so you click on video, current storyboard, you can name it something and then save it either on your U drive, Google Docs or something, and then upload it to YouTube, and then put your link in the file right here, making sure that it's able to be viewed by Mr. Payne. All right, if you have any questions, please let me know.